We chose the modular wall slim wall because it ticked the boxes for pool regulations, and it also looked amazing. But the main reason we chose it was because it was so easy for us to put together ourselves, because that's what we do. We basically looked at the how-to videos on Modular Wall's website, and it was pretty easy.
Pretty easy to install, and it's a complete finished product. Paint it the colour that you need or want for your style or what area you're doing.
Yeah, I like things that are simple, where you can just look up something, find it, get what you need. We didn't have any issues with how to install it or what to do, and everything that we needed came with the wall, so it was really simple. Lifting those panels up and to slide them in, it is a simple, easy process, but yeah, you do need a bit of upper body strength. But yeah, it was simple, and I was actually really pleased with how easy it was. I know people probably think, oh, you're crazy DIYing everything, but we've literally saved probably $200,000 like with doing that. With the cost of living and the cost of houses and everything at the moment, I know we're privileged, we have, you know, the time, and we're able-bodied, we're able to do these things, but we literally have saved over $200,000 by DIYing our house and landscaping so far, probably more. It's just, yeah, the amount of money, when you look at it on paper, you're like, you're just crazy not to DIY if you're able to. So that's something that we really value, is saving money and being able to invest the money that we do have into our future. I like to be different, and I like to push the boundaries of what people say you should do for that area, because being on a rural block, we're not coastal, but I wanted that Mediterranean coastal feel, and I think you don't have to stay in the lines, you don't have to abide by the rules. And so we love our neighbours, but they don't really need to see us laying by the pool in our bathers. So what we love about this is that it gives us the privacy to not have people seeing us from the road, because it is a very busy street. When we are laying by the pool, it feels like you're not even near anything else. You could be anywhere.
You have that, you know, privacy for view, but also the sound cuts that out as well, heavily as well.
Everyone's asking about it, so when I posted it on Instagram, we had hundreds of people comment and ask about it. I think it's pretty obvious that I recommend the Modular Walls product, because I'm actually obsessed with it. I love it so much. It just makes it feel like we're, you know, in a really, I guess, bougie area. So the Modular Wall Slim Wall was a really great choice for us. It was well priced, and it was simple to get here. It was simple to put together. We're really happy with what we created with it.